welcome back to another video. And today we are doing another waterfall hike. On top of that, we are doing not doing a hike, but we're going fishing for trout. So it's a little hiking and trying to catch a trout video type of video. So come along, follow along, and it should be a good time. I'm going to a hike. I think it's in the Smoky Mountains, and the fishing spot's like right next to there. So should be fun. Hopefully we're gonna catch a fish today at the end too. And yeah, let's freaking go. Made it to the falls. Beautiful. Look at that. We just found a second waterfall above the first one. So we made it to the top of the falls here. Look at this. I'm like on the edge. Beautiful. The main fall first. The other one's up behind me over there. Mad beautiful out here. So update, there was a third waterfall too. First one's down there, second one's right here. Third one's right here. Crazy. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful day today. Can't complain. And up on these waterfalls, can't beat it. Can't fucking beat it. So I just climbed up the third waterfall and there's a freaking fourth one too. What the? There's 4 waterfalls on this one trail. It's kind of crazy. I can't believe it. This is crazy. It's beautiful too. Oh my. Wow. Man, I just can't get over how beautiful this is. It's like so serene. Like, I don't even know how to describe this. Just peaceful. Nobody's up here. There's 4 waterfalls today. What better way? No better time to spend the Saturday than doing this. Enjoy the present moments. Look at that. Beautiful. Thank you, Lord. Woo. So that's going to end the video off there. I know I said I was going to have trout fishing in there, but I actually didn't get that much footage of it anyway. And we kind of got skunked. Well, me and my friend, we both caught something. He actually caught a catfish, but it snapped and it got away. I caught a trout. It was a nice sized rainbow trout. And as I was reeling it in, I slipped and it came off my line. So we weren't able to bring it to shore. But anyways, that was a freaking amazing hike. The waterfalls were just so beautiful. It's just a solid reminder. Get out in nature, enjoy the present moment, spend time with the Lord and his creation. All right. If you enjoyed the video, I hope you have an amazing freaking day. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.